Hi y'all, just another posting of I've Been Clapped by Rich Clapper from Surface Pros Concrete. Wanted to talk about the culvert, and today it's getting redone. What Clapper did was he put sand, a pile of sand, and then he covered it with fieldstone. And in a month's time, you can see how it's flattened out. And then also, the culvert pipe itself, he put in backwards. This part over here, the collar part, is supposed to be going that way, because that's the flow of direction for the water. So I got a company coming out today to redo this. I'll keep you posted on the work. But once again, I strongly urge anybody who sees this, stay away from Surface Pros Concrete, because they have no clue what they're doing.